Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we want to take a deep dive into the HP Deskjet 4130e. It's an all-in-one wireless inkjet printer designed for the home. It combines essential printing, scanning, copying, and mobile fax function in a compact design. Key features: you can print, copy, scan, and mobile fax. Connectivity: you can connect this printer via reliable dual band Wi-Fi with self-healing technology, Bluetooth, and USB 2.0. This printer requires HP Plus enabled to access enhanced features like cloud connectivity, automatic Wi-Fi troubleshooting, and advanced HP app tools. An HP account, internet connection, and uses original HP ink. And also, this printer comes with 9 months the optional HP Instant Ink Trial. It is optional, it's not compulsory. This printer also offers 35 pages ADF, automatic document feeder. It uses HP app, which allows for full printer management from a smartphone, including scanning with the phone camera and sending mobile fax. A 35-sheet automatic document feeder for multiple page jobs and 60 sheets input tray. It offers print speed of up to 8.5 prints per minute for black and 5.5 prints per minute for color, with a high color resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi. This printer is ideal for home users, students, or small offices needing a capable and connected device for everyday tasks like documents, homework, and forms. Its wireless design and comprehensive mobile app support makes it good fit for users who frequently print or scan from smartphones, tablets, and laptop. We're going to unbox this printer. This printer is also compatible with Windows and Mac OS, and later it uses ink cartridges 305 or 305 extra large, and also it comes with LCD screen with buttons for you to operate this printer. We're going to unbox this, check it out, and see what is inside. These are the ink cartridges, information pack, the power cable, this is the scanner, flat bed scanner. The ink cartridges holder is on the corner. Once you plug this on, it will move from the corner and position itself to the center. It uses real paper tray. So you load various sizes of the paper, 5x7, 4x6, and A4, and adjust it with the blue clip. The power cable goes in here. The USB cable goes to this port, but the USB cable is not included with the packaging. So take the power cable, connect it to this port. Then plug it onto the socket. This is ADF, automatic document feeder. You switch this printer on and off on this button. This button is for you to copy black. This button is for you to copy color. This is LCD screen. This button is Wi-Fi button, information button, resume, and cancel button. So switch this printer on from this. And from the LCD screen, you can see that a warning light is highlighted. The ink cartridges gauges, 2 lines are empty. And also the printer is not yet connected to Wi-Fi network. This is Wi-Fi network button. You can see the light is flashing. Now we're going to install the ink cartridges. Open up this cover. Once you open it up, you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself on the center. So we're going to take this. Remove this plastic. Then you go in, this is triple color. The colored one goes to the left. Go in, push it upwards or pull it up. Do the same thing to the black. So remove this plastic. Then you go in, the black goes to the right. The colored one goes to the left. Pull it up. Then you close the cover. Once you close the cover, then you wait. And if you look on the printer, you need to see that the light here is off and the 2 gauges are now full up. So this is how to install the ink. If you want to remove the ink cartridges, open the cover, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. The next thing to do, we put 1 finger on top, pull them down. So 1 finger on top, pull down to remove it. So this is how to replace the ink. Colored one goes to the left, pull it up. The black goes to the right. Pull it up and close the cover. Then you wait so that the printer will recognize the ink cartridges. Now I want to show you how to load papers. This printer, you can load various sizes of the paper. The paper we have here is A4, so we're going to load A4 paper. And also I'm going to show you how to load 4x6. So to load the paper, open this flap, then pull the guide to the left side, then go in with the paper you want to use. This is A4 paper, then adjust the guide. So this is how to load A4. This is A4 paper. What it's doing now is printing alignment page. And the way it works is once you load the paper, if alignment paper is printed out, you need to wait for the paper to print out, then scan it on the glass scanner. Then you take the paper printed out, stick it on top of the glass scanner. Make sure the documents start from the top left. Then the next thing to do is you need to go to select copy black or color. So now the printer is scanning the alignment paper. And when it's doing that, you will see that the light is still flashing here. Once it's completed, the light will stop on the power button. So it's still scanning the alignment paper. If you connect this printer to your phone, when you scan the alignment paper, it will show you successful, but the light is flashing here. So once it's finished, the light will stop. You can see the light is off now. Then you discard the alignment paper. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how to load 4x6 photo paper. This is 4x6 photo paper. To load 4x6 photo paper, you need to make sure the smooth part need to face up, the rough part need to be at the back. So we're going to remove the A4 paper we have here. So this is 4x6. The smooth part need to face up, the rough part need to be at the back. Then you go in, then adjust it. Then adjust it with the guide. So this is 4x6 photo paper. So this is 4x6. The smooth part need to face up, the rough part need to be at the back. So this is how to load 4x6 photo paper. Thank you very much. This is the unboxing, installation of the ink and loading the paper, and also how to complete alignment. Thank you very much indeed.